Hi, my name is Lee Clockey, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. Today we got another product. It's a free product, and this is a paid review. Very cool. I love these things. This is a backup camera for an RV. If you're an RVer, we are full-time RVers. This is a backup camera, and it's a Haokeo. I don't know how you say that, but we have done several reviews of these, and these are great. We use them every day in our life, and this is the newest, greatest version of this brand's backup camera. So it is you can use multiple cameras on this. It's a 5-inch monitor, 1080, so it's got all the pixels, night vision, magnetic base, it's wireless, and it has guided lines. So the best part about this upgrade, from what I've read, is that up until now, so you put this camera, and I'll show you this here shortly, but you put the camera out somewhere on the back of your RV, and you always have to turn the camera on, and then you back up. Well, now they have got this where you can actually turn the camera on and off remotely from inside your vehicle. Great move, Haokeo. I'm not sure how you say that, but great move on the developer of this. So now you don't have to get out and turn your camera on and off. Love it. So let's open it up and see what we got, shall we? I love techie stuff anyway, especially if it has something to do with our lifestyle. Great, great, great. So first thing first is, I think this is going to fit right into the mount we have already, is the very nice monitor system. And it's not so huge that it's taking up the whole front screen of your car. And then it comes with your, and I have had this out and charged it. One of the things you have to do is, yes, it does have a solar panel. That is just to keep it charged while you're driving. It will not keep it charged continuously. So that's just to assist its battery length. It extends its battery length. It will not continuously charge it. You do have to take it in and charge it with it has a C connector in the back edge, a C connection. I have found I like to actually use this as kind of a rear view camera when I'm driving. That blind spot. So I find with the solar, if it's completely charged, I can drive about 8 hours before this thing dies. So what will be really nice about this new effect that I can turn it on and off is that I can, if I really don't need it, I can turn it off and just use it when I'm in heavy traffic in downtown areas, because that's when I really find I need it. When I'm on a straight and narrow on a highway, I probably don't need it. But when I'm in those congested downtown areas, I can turn this on and see what's behind me on that RV, which is really, really handy. All right, so solar panel, yes, but you do have to charge it. I would say 8 to 10 hours on a good charge on a sunny day. If your RV is really long, mine is not, you can have, this is an extender antenna that you can put on it, extends the length of where you can go, and you have several mounts. You have the cord that works inside your vehicle to the monitor, and again, you have several mounting type plates. If you don't have a place to mount it on the back of your RV, here is a metal plate that you could put on the back of your RV, the side of your RV, wherever you want a camera. The only thing I will tell you is keep this plate and this magnet away from each other until you have this mounted somewhere, because you will never get this metal plate off of this magnet. I'll just show you a little bit. This magnet is very, very strong. If this was to go all the way over here, I would have a very, very hard time getting this off of this. This magnet is super, super strong. I put it on the back bumper of my RV. It's really hard to get this camera off of my back bumper. It's not going to bounce off in rough terrain. Let me just put it that way. So with that being said, let's go out to the back bumper and install this camera. Okay, hi. So we're out here at the back side of our RV here. You can see over here I have my old camera over here, and I'll show you just how hard it is to move this thing around. I am using all of my effort to move that. That is my old camera. I'm just going to replace it with this new camera. You do want to take this little protector off the lens. If I can do it. There we go. Put that in my pocket. Don't litter. And I've got a nice little mark where my old one was. And just listen to that when it clamps down. There you go. There's good enough. And that is not going anywhere. Just make sure that you close up your little charge port right here. Right back down here. And again, I can tell you that is not going anywhere.
Moving the camper.
All right, let's go. Next time we'll see you in the car, and we'll mount the monitor and put it all together. Hi. So we got into the car, and I realized that I did not turn the camera on. So you have to turn the camera on so that it can pair with the new monitor. The cool part, the upgrade part of this new system is that the camera will turn itself off automatically whenever the monitor turns off. So if you turn the monitor off, the camera will automatically turn off, not turn off, but go into super low power mode, standby mode, and only use 99 point something power. So you don't have to turn it off. So you'll never, gone are the days where, oh no, I forgot to turn the camera off, and now it's dead. That is awesome, because I have done that, and I go out there the next day and my camera's dead. So that is a great upgrade. So I'm going to go turn the camera on, then we're going to install the monitor, and we're going to pair it up, and we're going to just see how beautiful it looks. All right, so I've got the camera on. So if we look around here, you can see the old system that I have, and so I'm just going to uninstall that. Take that screen off, and I have the new power cord here. And if we look at the new power cord, it has an on-off switch. That is the secret to turning off the system. So we're gonna just take that out of there and unwrap it. And we're gonna let's install our monitor. So this just clips right here, like that. And then we just put it right back up here on this ball. Can see it, tighten it up nice, and then we just simply plug this in on the side here, like so. And I'm going to just run my cord down here and plug it into my cigarette lighter. I just need to turn you can see the back side of our RV there. We have some equipment there for our RV just sitting there, and a light, and there you go. So now, if everything's being true about that, if I turn it off here at the power switch, we should, there we go. And you can see that truck that's going by over there. And then if I turn it off here, it just turned off the camera, which is wonderful. Turn it back on. Yep. And it's back up. Look at that, just as good as new. So, I say, go out and get yourself a Haokeo RV backup camera with automatic standby mode for the camera. Save yourself some issues there. Look at that nice clean picture, and you can have a split screen and have two cameras if you wish, and have two backup cameras. But this is a nice clear picture of the back side of my RV. Go out and get yourself one today. So simple to install. It's a breeze. Get yourself one today.